napakasimple po ng buhay ng merong kasama sa buhay. And I know you really love Randine so much, Carl. That's why you need to continue respecting her. Not only just a wife, not only just a mother, but as a one true best friend.
My dudong, love, baby, mommy. Today, I here before you with full heart. During that hardship, you stay and help me face challenges.
Carl, I know kasama kita sa lowest part ng buhay natin, pero nakasama din kita sa komportable na part ng buhay natin.
Randine Grace Testado, do you take Carl Roger Meher to be your lawfully wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
I do.
It's so unnatural way you got me wrapped up, yeah, you got me hooked up, yeah, you got me loved up. It's so magical what you do in one touch, yeah, you got me unstuck, yeah, you got me love struck. Hi, hello, you've been running circles in my head, you know. You said we were gonna take it nice and slow, and now I'm telling everyone I know, and it's looking alright with me. So if it's okay with you, I think I'm gonna love you for a long time, baby.
Wow!
I think I'm gonna love you for my whole life. If you wanna know the truth.
I know you are a good girl. We love you very much, and if in the future may mga bagay na hindi natin control, we are always here to protect you. Please always come back to us. Remember that we are here. We love you.
Thank you po sa lahat. During my ups and downs, proven na nandito kayong dalawa ni Papa.
Carl, palagi mo na lang bigyan ng panahon, oras si Randine. At higit sa lahat, palagi mo siyang samahan.
Since day one, masasabi kong hindi nawala yung spark natin. Gusto ko magbago ka if it will make you a better person. Same din sa akin, gagawin ko lahat para maging mabuting mother and wife sa atin. Poprotektahan ko yung family natin.
Carl Roger Mejel, do you take Randine Grace Testado to be your lawfully wedded wife, to share your life openly, standing with her in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore? I do. You are the missing piece of his heart, because without you, he is nothing. Because the quality you are given to Carl are those things na gustong-gusto niyo makasama sa buhay. Loving person, patience, and kind.
Kasi kung wala ka, walang wedding. I love you so much. See you sa ceremony. Love you. Thank you sa pagtiis sa maganda kong ugali. Thank you sa mga binigay mong alam mong deserve ko at mas deserve ko pa.
Her success is your success. Her dreams is your dreams. Her achievement is your achievement. Hindi karera ang pag-aasawa. No? Kailangan open tayo sa isa't isa. Not only just a husband, not only just a father, but as a one true best friend.
I take the fall. I got you covered when there's no one at all. Oh yeah, and I stay through the night when you got demons trying to break through. There ain't no kind of line that I wouldn't cross if you need me to. So I think it's finally time that you knew nobody got you the way I do. Whatever demons you're fighting through, when you need somebody to turn to, nobody got you the way I do. The way I do. Nobody got you the way I do. Nobody got you the way I do. The way I do.
I may not have all the perfect words and action, but I know I love you and I will always will.
You know I ain't trying to lose you, oh no. If you're in hell, I go there too. There ain't no kind of line that I wouldn't cross if you need me to. You're out here.
You are not just the love of my life, you are the plot twist happen that I didn't see. You, kids, us and the people who love and support us through our life will be my home, my peace, my best and partner in life. I will choose you every single day and I love you.
Nobody got you the way I do. Nobody got you the way I do.
Ikaw ang kanyang inspirasyon. Ikaw ang kanyang ilaw. Ikaw ang kanyang tahanan. Ikaw at ikaw lamang ang magbibigay ligaya kay Carl.
Nobody got you the way I do. Nobody got you. Nobody got you the way I do.